about the kingdom. The kingdom assignment is assignment of leadership. It's an assignment of human capital development. The kingdom assignment is an assignment on leadership production. The kingdom assignment is an assignment on breeding national and global leaders. The kingdom assignment is an assignment of raising high-valued, high-powered leaders with values and morals and kingdom virtues. The kingdom assignment redeems the man and redeems the community and redeems the nation, redeems the economy, redeems the human capital, redeems, turns nations around, builds society. The kingdom assignment is an assignment that builds communities, builds people, drives growth, economic growth, raises up deliverers, raises up soul winners, raises up influencers. When the kingdom of God is preached, the word kingdom is simply kings dominating. Rulers are raised. The black church have mastered the gospel of salvation. Give your heart to Jesus. So we have many souls that have been won to Christ. Many, millions. But we have not raised many we have not brought many into the kingdom. So we have many churches, but almost zero impact in society. Because the lack of kingdom development and deployment makes the church weak. Even though the church is a powerful institution, the church becomes a weak entity. The church becomes a platform of weak people because we become great through deployment. So one of the weaknesses of the black church is egocentric messages, and we are inward-driven churches. Inward-driven. And when the church is inward-driven, the church becomes a platform of religious entertainment.